Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
We will learn how to fix unfortunately your desired name is not available in League of Legends. So if your desired name is not showing available in League of Legends, firstly we need to make sure that you have followed the basic rules of creating the right IDs. According to the basic rules of right ID, all display names must be appropriate and abide by the terms of use. There is a filter that will eliminate most inappropriate names and names that include profanity, but ultimately it is up to you to choose an acceptable name. So if your name is vulgar or doesn't meet the terms of service requirements of Riot, it will not be accepted. Names must be at least 3 characters long and no more than 16 characters long. So if your character has less than 3 characters and more than 16 characters, it will not be accepted. Any name that includes Riot in it will also not be accepted. Your name should not contain personality identifying information like your real name or address. If a Riot name is found to obtain this info, it may be subject to change by Riot. So if your Riot ID contains your actual name or any of the informations of your personal life, it cannot be accepted and it may be changed by Riot. Also, attempting to impersonate an esports professional is not accepted. So if you are found taking the name of any professional player which you are not, the system will filter you and you cannot take that name. If your name abides by all these laws and you are still not able to choose your desired name, it is recommended that you play a matchmade game. A lot of times inactivity can cause you to not have your desired name. And finally, if this issue still persists, you can uninstall and reinstall League of Legends. In order to do that, close the League client and also turn off the Riot client. So just exit it. Then head to the search panel of Windows. From here, type add or remove programs. Click on open. After that, scroll down until you find League of Legends. Left click on it, then click on uninstall. And in order to reinstall, open up Riot client again, go to League of Legends, then click on the install button. So this is how you can easily fix the desired name not showing up issue in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.